Alright everybody, welcome back to part 2 of the Kia Stinger intake and exhaust setup. So we just, as you see in the last episode, we put on the engine intake. Now he's gonna see his exhaust for the first time.
I haven't seen this shit though. Oh, okay. Pipe. Well, not a bin pipe, but
X pipe.
Yep. I'm looking for these sweet fucking. Oh wow. What the hell? Oh wow.
It says left.
Look at the inside.
Oh shit.
Wow. It's gonna give it a sweet tone.
Oh shit, so that's this, but that's actually this part right there. So it's 4 individual pipes welded to give you that fluting effect. Let me see if you can kind of see it. Let me see. You can kind of see a little bit better.
Here's the right side.
That's the right side.
Yep. Let me put this in. I want to keep those smokers though.
Keep going further down the rabbit hole.
Oh yeah. SType. Nice. This is the right
See if
side.
you can see the. You can kind of see the channeling down there.
Nice. And of course, the other one's the hardest to get.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for the mess, by the way.
Yeah, that's cool. Saw it going back inside there anyway.
Damn.
This one out.
There you go. And this one.
The other side. Woo.
This is gonna sound nice. You can see all the machining and stuff.
Yeah. Even the little edges like that,
Yeah.
deburred.
There you go.
So there you go.
Borla SType.
Borla SType exhaust for the Stinger. No tips because it's got those, but he's gonna change those out to carbon fiber tips. They're just on back order. So let's get started. For this is 17, you said?
18.
18. And what else?
Oh, a 17 and a 14.
17 and a 14 mil. So 17 and then a 14.
Do you have a creeper?
Yeah, I got a creeper.
Yeah, that would be nice, dude. Nice.
And it's not the one with the like the bulkier one, so you should fit perfect. So
It's gonna help a lot. Alright, let's get started.
hold this and this. So we got the passenger side off. So we're still working on it, but you can see the size difference. He's gonna start it up. Kind of sounds the same a little.
Huh?
Still kind of sounds the same. Still sounds the same. No difference.
It pops more though.
Yeah. So let's see, this one's got some baffling right there. A little bit more of an aggressive
Angle, yeah.
angle. But overall, it's like maybe 4 inches short, like not as wide. And you see how this is more offset. This is kind of more of a direct flow, but it still has baffling. All right, so we got the driver's side out now. So no mufflers. Here we go, start it up. so we got this behemoth out. It's so the Borla comes with a separate X pipe and the resonator delete pipes. So those get bolted together. So actually, it gets flanged right here with a little exhaust clamp, and then on this side gets clamped to the bottom of the X pipe, and then the only part that actually bolts on is the X pipe to the mid cats on his. So as you can see, muffler 1, muffler 2, X pipe resonator into the X pipe. So we're deleting the resonator, bigger X pipe, and the whole exhaust. So here's another sound clip. Definitely a lot better. More throaty. I told you it was gonna be throaty. I told you it was gonna be more. Alright, this is from under the car view. So you can see, barely have any room under here. But this is the exhaust. This is pretty much like the mid cats, I guess you can call them. But you can see right down in yonder screens right there. So what I'm doing now, just got a little wire brush here, and I'm just cleaning it off the little surface rust. Now, not too much. There really isn't that much on here, but just whatever's on here, just cleaning them up, cleaning the threads up. Since this is this is kind of like a resonator and X pipe exhaust part. He's gonna get the rest later on. But these gaskets for the resonators were still good. The ones that were on here were shot, but the ones from further back are still good. So we're gonna reuse them, and then just clean them up a little bit, and then reuse these, and then start the install. All right, this install is done. So you can see right there the nice shiny parts. That's the X pipe clamped on to this pretty fucking awesome. It's like 4 channel. I showed you earlier. It's like 4 pipes welded for like baffling, but that's the new resonator area. Then back to that nice little bend clamp there. So pretty much clamp, and then bolt, and then factory hangers, and then right there you can see the bottom, but here you go, right there. Right in the factory hanger spot, like a glove. I don't know, you can't really see it from up here, but it's done. Now you want to hear the note. All right, here's the final product with the cold start. Well, not cold start, it's like warm, lukewarm. Alright, and that concludes this video. Final video of the Stinger. He'll be back for some more stuff later on. But let me know what you guys think of this video, this content that I'm putting out. I'm trying to put out a couple different things. Got this, get my buddy here working on his car. I got the other ST. That's down right now. Not going to go into that. It's a long story. But my build should be coming soon. And then, yeah, so just like, comment, subscribe for more content and more builds coming soon. Also, we got this Honda motor right here. That's coming up too. All right. Enjoy your day and have a good one.